having own experience, on-hands experience with the supply chain in the wide region across America, Europe, CIS countries, and India, we can see the changes of the dynamics and demand coming for the industrial solutions. So at this moment, facing unstable international transactions in the European and Western countries, as well as challenges and unstable situation with the logistics in Middle East, Asia becomes strategically potential partner for the Belarus and other CIS countries for the industrial needs. All manufacturing companies and producers are having demand for the equipment processing lines for their production units, raw material flow, chemical spare parts for the repair and maintenance of the existing lines, consumables and components to run their production facilities efficiently, because any breakdown in the production process causes financial losses for the production sites. India having own domestic demand for the equipment and raw materials already have big number of the local manufacturers with the potential to the export to countries like Belarus. Working with the Belarus and seeing demand coming from the different industries, we wanted to list some potential divisions and directions for the Indian companies for the supply of the equipment and technological solutions. And in the same way, we can see that India already have very developed technologies locally placed in India. Those can easily expand their solutions to new markets as Belarus. One of them is textile and leather industry. As we know, India is very developed country for the textile industry and already have big number of the local manufacturers of the equipment and technological solutions for this industry. And Belarus have associations as Belekprom, who covers a big number of the government factories for the processing of textile and leather materials, which brings big interest for the equipment and investments to new technological solutions. Again, I want to highlight that nowadays there are big challenge with the supplies from the Europe, and most of the technological investments were made to European brands. And because of the unstable supply chain, which cause and directly affects negatively outcome of the productions, India becomes very attractive for the stable and long-term partnership for the Belarusian companies and manufacturing units. Another industry is food and beverage processing. Having big popularity in India, there are a lot of local manufacturers of the equipment processing clients and packaging clients for the dairy processing, beverage production, oil processing, confectionery, and bakery factories, which makes a good market for the Indian companies to export and expand their technological solutions and replace Western demand for the Belarusian manufacturers. Other industries are automotive, so having local manufacturing and also with the unstable supply chain, Belarusian companies are invited to localize their manufacturing to avoid import of the technological equipment or goods, which makes Belarusian companies to continuously make investments into new high-tech lines and solutions to localize production on the domestic market. In the same way, it's heavy-duty machinery, so having large equipment manufacturing in Belarus, India becomes attractive supplier for the high-tech components as hydraulic engines and powertrain parts, bearings, gear transmission parts, and other uh, engineered parts. Other interested industries are forestry, woodworking, petrochemicals, and oil and gas, which India already have locally developed and can provide their technological solutions to Belarusian companies. Some of the challenges in supply chain that international transactions have risks and challenges with the logistics. So it's complete chain starting with the vendor selection, following with the technical inspection, finances and logistics, and after sales support. Those having global presence and being able to provide local support for the clients and technical assistance. It's important to have local presence who can assist clients. Mumbai is now can offer stable logistics and supply chain to Belarus by air and sea shipments, providing more planned and stable supply chain partner for the Belarusian manufacturers. What is the important part of the industrial supply chain is not only buying goods and selling to the customer, any kind of supply of the equipment and raw materials require follow-ups on the technical assessment and technical support. So supplied materials can bring efficiency and meet technical requirements of the clients. It's important that Indian companies who are interested in exporting to Belarus can provide engineering and technical validation. So during selection of the new technological solution or raw materials, it's important to understand requirements of the clients, where we can also provide help understanding requirements of the CIS countries, local regulations and certification requirements, and support Indian manufacturers to confidently enter new export markets, introducing their solutions. After supplier verification, it's important to make factory audits to make sure that production capability assessment and quality system is meeting client demands. Multi-country procurement consolidation. Another advantage is that in India we can provide consolidation of different goods and arrange door-to-door logistics to the clients in the Belarus. Quality assurance and inspection. During production of the equipment and materials, we provide local assessment of the Indian manufacturers and tightly arrange communicate between end user in Belarus and Indian manufacturer, providing both support in Russian and English language, which enables and make both sides more confident to develop their partnership in long term. And another point is regulatory and market compliances. As we know, for all equipment and material supplies, each region has their own local regulations and certifications for the export and import processes. That's the part where we can supply Indian companies to complete all the certifications required for the equipment supply and enable Belarusian partners to easily import goods and make installation in their factories and manufacturing units. Providing a network of our own presence in Kazakhstan and in India, we are able to support locally customers for the commissioning and installation purpose, supporting Indian companies to easily make sure their equipment installed in good way and enables both sides to work on the improvement and development of their partnership in long run. Thank you for listening. I invite Indian companies to work on the export to Belarusian companies because it has good opportunities replacing Western technologies, and it's easier to enter new market when there is a challenge, and India can provide solutions for many Belarusian companies, providing stable and long-term partnership without having any obstacles in logistics or financial risks. I invite Indian companies to take advantage of this situation and build long-term cooperation. Thank you.